In the next couple of days, Friday to be precise, Nigeria will be 61 years old as an independent nation. And as part of activities lined up to mark the occasion, Rivers State Governor Nyesom Wike has joined other Christians at an interdenominational Thanksgiving service. But beyond what has become a yearly ritual, they say there's really nothing for Nigeria to celebrate as a nation.
We should be mourning for this nation. It should be a time of mourning. We should declare the 61st independence of Nigeria a day of mourning. Let's cry to God.
They liken Nigeria to a 61-year-old still in his diapers.
Nigeria is full of blood. Innocent blood everywhere. Every day somebody is dying in this country. And what are our leaders doing? We say we should celebrate. There's no celebration anywhere. We need to mourn for this country.
A legislature that cannot think. A legislature, anything they bring is right. A legislature that cannot say that Nigeria has gotten to the age of conducting a free and fair election. A legislature that will close their eyes anytime they bring money, borrow, you borrow. Legislature that not, this money we are giving you to borrow, where is it? Where are you applying it? 61 years old, the giant of Africa.
Governor Nyesom Wike says Nigerians should also hold themselves responsible for the myriad of problems bedeviling the country.
Other countries are talking about how their elections will be transparent. We are talking about how we will plot to rig an election in 2023. Transmit a result electronically to show the transparency, to show that really the person you are declaring won the election is problem. 61 years old, a man who presided and signed a report, went to the Congress and voted against the report he signed.
The Rivers State Governor is therefore looking up to God to rescue Nigeria from its current predicament.
And so everybody must say, God, we need you at this time to save this country. No more confidence in man. Leadership, mass leadership has failed this country. And therefore, God, we need you at this time.
Intercessory prayers were said for peace, unity, Nigeria, its people and leaders.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.